Warning: this video is only for those who are willing to have success in life, travel to the best destinations around the world, have the dream house, drive the best car, and earn money quickly by using only their smartphone and their Instagram. Are you wondering how others have success on Instagram as influencers, using Instagram marketing secrets, and how they make a lot of money? Would you love to be an Instagram influencer and have the perfect life? Would you like to travel in the most exotic places in the world and make money at the same time? 100% remote? From your phone? Would you love to sell more of your products or services or learn the best kept marketing secrets on Instagram? Here's how we make tens of thousands of new followers for our students and earn loads of money by selling their influence. Look, here's the proof. The problem is that not a single influencer would tell you his secret ingredients. Let me ask you a question. Are you sick of following your favorite influencers and ask yourself if you're ever going to have their lifestyle and make a lot of money like them? Boring life, no traveling, unhealthy lifestyle. Waking up every damn morning without something important to do. Wondering if you'll ever be just like them. It doesn't matter if your Instagram account has 0 or 100 followers right now. Ask any influencer and they'll tell you that they started from the bottom. But maybe you're likely feeling that becoming an influencer is almost impossible. And you're not alone. This is exactly what everybody said before reading our influencer playbook. So how do you become an influencer on Instagram? How do you make money on Instagram like a pro? Is there a system or proven steps that will make you an influencer? There is, and that's exactly what the Influencer Playbook is all about. The only playbook that will show you step by step how to become an influencer on Instagram and make hundreds of dollars daily using our tactics. You can do it. Everyone can do it after reading this playbook. We are sure of that. All you need is a smartphone. Yes, literally anybody who has a smartphone can become an influencer. We have over 11 years of experience in digital marketing, and we helped in the last 3 years thousands of influencers and businesses to grow their audience from scratch and make loads of money on Instagram. They have made it only by following our step-by-step roadmap to success. The Influencer Playbook is a game changer for thousands of influencers around the world already. So rather than panic, we got to work. We also consulted for you 30 big influencers on Instagram and made a deep research to know exactly what are their secrets, work habits, and how they make money. Here's a sampling of what's covered in our playbook. How to grow your Instagram account easily and fast. How to become an influencer automatically with a proven system. How to make at least $3,000 plus a month as influencer by applying our secrets and digital marketing strategies. How to make loads of cash by promoting affiliate products and services and our tested tips and tricks. We have 2 bonuses for you. You'll be added in our private digital marketing group. You'll get for free our future 2020 updated edition of the Influencer Playbook. And now, here's the deal. Our mission is to help people becoming professional influencers. Normally, the playbook costs $99, but for a very limited time, I'll let you have instant access to this playbook for just $37. Yup, only $37. Just click the button below and get our proven roadmap to Instagram success. And in case you're wondering, yes, there is a guarantee. Our playbook has a 30-day, no questions asked guarantee. In other words, if you aren't happy for any reason, just let us know and we'll give you your money back. You either get the results you want or you get your money back. It's as simple as that. At this point, you know something needs to happen. You've seen those influencers with their perfect life. But you've seen that we have the solution and we know how to get results. And no matter what, your investment is fully guaranteed. So now it's time to take the next step and start making a difference. Click the button below and let's get started right now. But do it now because the price will go up soon. Okay, this is your last chance. Click the button below and let's get started. You either get the results you want or you get your money back. It's as simple as that. At this point, you know something needs to